everyone. Now we want or presentation the historical background of American literature, colonial, revolutionary, and Puritan period, or an overview of early American literary development, presented by Desi and Sister Yunita. Langsung saja, introduction. The history of American literature during the colonial and revolutionary period, 1607 to 1789, reflects the early exposition, relief, and strugglers of the first European settlers in North America. This era marks the beginning of withering exposition in the New World. Civil, religious, political, and cultural influences. When the first English colonies were established in America, literature was mainly used to record daily life. Religious faith and exploration, most writings were created by Puritans who came to the New World seeking religious freedom. Their writing expressed strong moral values, faith in God, and the belief the life should be dedicated to serving Him. Then continued by Yunita.
Okay. The colonial period, 1607 to 1776. The first early settlers came mainly from England. Second, literature was focused on religion, exploration, and daily life. The third, writing was mostly non-fiction, sermons, diaries, journals, and letters. And fourth, common themes: faith, hard work, divine providence, and survival. The Puritan background. The Puritan background is one of the most important foundations of early American literature. The Puritans were a group of English Protestants in the 16th and 17th centuries who want to purify the Church of England from what they saw as corruption and Catholic influence. Because they faced religious persecution in England, many Puritans decided to migrate to the New World, America, to find a place where they could freely practice their faith.
The characteristic of Puritan literature: focus on God's will, simple, direct language, avoiding artistic decoration, didactic purpose to teach moral or spiritual lessons. Autobiographical elements, often personal reflection or faith. Famous Puritan authors and works. One, William Bradford of Plymouth Plantation. Two, John Winthrop, a model of Christian charity. Third, Anna Brasted, the 10th Muse lately sprang up in America. Fourth, Edward Taylor, preparatory meditation. Number 5, Cotton Mather, Magnalia Christi Americana, dan seterusnya dilanjut oleh Yunita.
The Revolutionary Period 1765 to 1815. The first literature became political and patriotic, and second, writers expressed ideas of freedom, democracy, and independence. The third, common genres, pamphlets, essays, speech, and political documents. Fourth, major influence the American Revolution, 1779 to 1783. Famous revolutionary writers. The first, Thomas Paine, Common Sense and the American Crisis. The second, Benjamin Franklin, Poor Rickard's Almanac, the Autobiography. The third, Thomas Jefferson, the Declaration of Independence. And fourth, Phillips Weatherly, Poems of Various Subjects, Religious, Moral. Transition to early American novels. Early novels appear in the late 18th century. Themes, morality, virtue, individual struggle, and new identity. Example, The Power of Sympathy, 1789, by William Hill Brown, first American novel. Mark the shift from religious to secular and social themes.
Conclusion. American literature began with religious and historical writing. The Puritan spirit deeply influenced early thoughts and values. The revolutionary period introduction political and national identity. This foundation shaped the result of unequal American literary tradition. Terima kasih untuk semuanya dan mohon maaf kalau ada kesalahan dalam membaca karena kita baru belajar. Tujuannya kita ngambil jurusan bahasa Inggris ini karena kita pengen belajar bukan untuk mengajar. Semangat buat semuanya. Bye bye. Terima kasih.